Hey guys, welcome back. I'm really excited to show you some newly released awesome Mary Kay products that just came out. They are so amazing. They have become my favorite product so far. Easy for moms on the go who love to be glam but don't have time to glam, you know, that type of deal. Now I'm going to show you some really awesome ways to contour. Seriously, the easiest and fastest ways. These are our brand new at play sticks. It comes with sculpting 1. This is sculpting 1, sculpting 2, and a rose gold that is for highlighting. Okay, how awesome are these? I love them. Easy to take with you and travel with you. You just put them right in your bag. And then I'm going to finish off with our cream duo blush stick. Okay, this is all, you guys. This is all you need to contour and highlight on the go. How cool is that? No messy palettes, no powder flying everywhere. It's just easy sticks. You just pack them with you and go. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to start with sculpting 2. I'm gonna put this, it's a darker shade, so I'm gonna put this on top. It's gonna be like a rainbow. See, just like that. And then I'm going to draw a line. You wanna do it from right in the middle of your brow down. You don't wanna make it too deep. So I'm gonna do it that way. And that way. And then I'm going to draw a line down here. And down here. Okay, that's going to give me some shadow and define my jawline. Okay, then I'm going to start with my sculpting 1. I'm going to put this at the bottom just like this. Okay, it's like a rainbow. Put this underneath just like that, just like this, and then I'm just gonna put a little bit down in here. I'm gonna blend them together. Okay, you guys. Oh, I can't forget my nose. I'm going to contour my nose as well. Okay, I'm gonna draw a line in here, and then in here. This is the easiest contour, you guys. Okay, now it looks like I'm getting ready to go to war. All right, you guys, this is the blending brush that I use from Mary Kay. It's the best blending brush I've ever used. If you're ever wondering or intimidated about blending and you don't know if it's going to blend correctly or if you're blending right, this does it all for you, okay? That's what I love, love, love about it. So I'm going to grab this and I'm just going to blend it together, okay? Beautifully. Oh my goodness, I love it. Okay, wow, do you see how it just gave me that shadow? This brush blends everything so perfectly. It's the best blending brush. What I also love is that we have a brush cleaner. Y'all, this brush is only $16. You can use it with everything over and over again, no matter what shades you use, because we have a brush cleaner that doesn't leave your brush sticky. It doesn't leave it wet. It dries instantly. So what you do is you spray it and then you wipe your brush off. Okay, you're gonna wipe it, wipe it, wipe it. See, it's completely clean and it's dry. How cool is that? And then I'm going to use my rose gold highlighter. Okay, in this area, I'm gonna use it right in this area. Okay, and I already did my nose. And then I could use my brush that I just cleaned. You see that? I just used my brush cleaner, which is important, you guys. You wanna use it. You wanna use it with every brush. Like after each application, you want to use your brush cleaner. Okay, it's very important. So don't you just love that I don't have to buy so many of these? My brush cleaner is only $10, and look at how big it is. It's awesome. It's a great size. It's 6 ounces, and it lasts you a really long time. I love that it doesn't leave my brush sticky, and it doesn't leave it wet, and I could use it right after I'm done. How cool is that? The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to finish off with my duo blush stick, okay? This is Mauve and Shimmer, okay? So on this side is a highlighted area. On this side is the blush. So I'm going to put just a little bit right in here, okay? Right in here. And then I'm going to put some highlighter up in here. That's on the opposite side. It's really just color in your face, y'all. Isn't that cool? And I get to use my blending brush again. Okay, normally I would do my translucent powder again right after I'm done, just like right in here. I love this translucent powder. Okay, are you ready for the next thing I'm going to show you guys? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. These are our brand new, newly released, limited edition matte lip glosses. And you guys, when I say these lip glosses go on so smooth, oh my goodness, they are amazing. They do come in a kit, in the day kit, okay? This is the day kit. It comes with Top That and Red Envy. This is the day kit. How cool is that, okay? $16 for this kit. How awesome, isn't that exciting? Get ready, these are perfect for the holidays, okay? So this is the Top That. I'm gonna start with this one first since it's the lighter color. You guys, these are so soft, really, really light. They go on just like a lip gloss, and it's matte. Completely matte, like no shine. How cute is that? Okay, this is Top That. Who could get excited about that? Okay, the next color I'm going to use is Red Envy. This is again a part of the day kit. Wow, who would get excited? Who loves Red Envy? Isn't this pretty? I am in love. Oh my goodness, I don't even want to take it off, but I do want to show you the other colors. So I'm going to use my makeup remover again. That's how awesome our makeup remover is. The next color I'm going to show you is Red Alert. Okay. This is Red Alert, and this is a part of the night kit. This is the night kit right here. Okay, again, this is $16 for the kit, and it comes with Red Alert and Berry Strong. Okay, so I'm gonna do Red Alert. Love this Red Alert. I'm definitely a fan of both kits. Okay, this is a little bit brighter than the day kit red. See, they're different shades. One is darker, Red Envy is darker, Red Alert is a little bit brighter. Okay, you guys, this is my personal favorite. This is Berry Strong, and I want to show you how beautiful it looks. And also a little trick. You can see why it's one of my favorites. I absolutely love this. This is probably, I'm gonna stock up on these for sure because I do not wanna go without this, especially this holiday season. But a little trick I wanted to show you guys how to make your lips pop, and just to get a little bit creative, you can ombre with the top of that. So if you're wondering, should I get the day kit, should I get the night kit? I say just get both kits because you could use all the colors and you could get creative with top of that, and you can make an ombre look. So I'm going to show you just how to do that. All you do is you get some of your top that lip gloss, you put it right in the middle, okay? Right in here. Right in here. And then you just pucker your lips together. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. My website is down below. And thank you again so much. Y'all have a blessed day. Mwah.